Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vernz, and in this video I am going to show you how to propagate a Hoya using seeds. But before we continue, please click the subscribe and notification bell buttons to stay in the loop. As you can see here, this is the seed pod when I first discovered it last August 30. So I'm not sure how old this seed pod was. We're going to wrap the seed pod of the Hoya pubicalyx here. This is my first seed pod so far for 6 years of growing Hoyas. This is the first time that I had a seed pod. So I'm going to show you this one. This is the seed pod of the Hoya pubicalyx. As you can see, it is a little brown now, so it might pop out anytime. So I'm going to place this inside this plastic here, and then I'm going to staple it here, so that it will not once the seed pod pops out, the seeds will not be scattered away, so it can propagate the seeds. So that's the seed here. I think we need to, I'm going to attach the plastic here so that it will be more stable. There, it will be more stable against the wind here. So I will update you later on once that seed pop out. So this is the seed pod that I just took from the Hoya pubicalyx pink orange. And at first thought, I said to myself that I'm just going to take it from the plant, because what I'm seeing is this side of the pod, and I can see that it is already turning black. So I thought that I'm going to get the pod and just open it myself. But then when I took the pod, I saw from the other side that it is totally open, and you can see the seeds there. So it did not flew out because there's a plastic that preventing them from spreading out. So I'm not sure how many seeds are there. So I think we're going to take the seeds from this pod. I have this container here, so we'll take the seeds from here. There. So this is how the seeds looks like. It is actually very small. Here you can see it is just a little bigger than the tip of the pen. So that is how small these seeds are. So at one side of the seeds there is this cottony like, and this will bring the seeds to the air, and the seeds will be flown away, and it will stick to another tree, and it will be their way of propagating from one part of the forest to another part. So this is what the seeds look like. So this is now an empty pod. So this is the entire content of that pod. Yeah. is quite a sticky material here. It's like a very fine feather. Looks like that. So we need to plant these seeds here, they say, within a week. So I think I'm going to place these seeds in a box. I have this box here, and I'm going to place these seeds around this, inside this box. And but before that, I'm going to show you how big these seeds are. So I'm going to place a tip of the pen just beside one of the seed, and that's how it is. That's how small it is. So it is just as big as the tip of this pen. And so I'm going to place these seeds now. I'm not going to count how many are they, because it's a waste of time. Some of them might not even sprout. So I'll just distribute them here, around here. As you can see, this box here is already wet and already moist. I used them previously on some other Hoyas, although it was not really very successful. I think I figured out what made me fail there. So I'm going to scatter this because to give space. Once they sprouted, there will be a space between them. We will not bury them because these seeds are very small, so we'll just place them on top of this box here. This is, by the way, a rice husk, this decomposed rice husk. This is the available material here. I don't have the other materials that they usually buy. I think this decomposed rice husk here will do. The only what we need here is just to make these seeds moist. So I'm going to spray water. I'm going to spray water so that they will attach themselves to our they will attach themselves to our rice husk there. We will just make them wet. Some of them is not sticking, so we'll push some of these seeds so that they will be attached to the growing material here. Normally for this, for seeds that look like this, as small as this one, they usually sprout within a day. But I have not tried. This is my first time to do Hoya seeds. The feather-like material there is very sticky. I think I think this one is already sprouting. Don't know why. Yeah, I think these two here, as you can see that these two here is already sprouting. So maybe the water that was in the plastic when it was still inside the plastic actually made those seeds are sprouting. So today is October 24. We will see this what happened tomorrow. It's 10:33 in the morning right now. So we will leave these seeds at this time, and we will check what happened to these seeds tomorrow. So yesterday we placed the seeds in this box. It has been 26 hours since then. Today, right now it is 12:15 at noon on October 25, 2020. So we're going to open the box and see what happened to our seeds that we placed yesterday. So I can see now that the seeds have sprouted already. You can see there are some white part there that is already the sprouted seeds, and it is not consistent. Some of them are sprouting from where the feathery thing are, and some of them are sprouting from the other side. But what I can see here, there is something like circular something that it is actually from the feathery thing area. I'm not sure where the leaves will be. Maybe we need to check this seeds again tomorrow and see how it look like. But right now, after 26 hours of planting, we have good progress. Today is the third day of our seeds here. It is currently 10:10 in the morning, Tuesday, October 27, and I can see roots now at our seeds here, and one of them I have a leaf already. So our seeds have are getting a good progress here. I think it is time that I'm going to transfer this one just outside the house so that it can get bright but indirect sunlight. So because right here it is currently inside the house, although it has some light here, I think I need to give it a little brighter light. So I'm going to place it just outside the house so that it will receive a better light.